Alright, these are the elevators here at Cintermex in Monterrey, Mexico. Last time we came here, the ThyssenKrupp elevators were there, but it's no longer there. So we're here now. So yep, this is ThyssenKrupp. The ThyssenKrupp Impulse was on the right side, but it's removed now. So we got a new ThyssenKrupp at least. Oh, we're gonna go down to S4. Sorry about that. Didn't know these elevators are parking, by the way. Here are parking level 4. This is the garage, PV. You know, the last time I came here, the Thyssen elevators were on the right side, but they are now removed, and I think they're now replaced with this kind of ThyssenKrupp. So, very nice elevator. Fixtures and the indicator. There's Big Brother here at PB. We're gonna get the other one if we can. All right, we're gonna catch the left one now. Hello. Oh, you can see it going. There goes that one. All right, same cab. Parking on 4 again. And door close does not work this time. Not sure what kind of ThyssenKrupp this is, but you guys can tell me in the comments below. Here at S4 again. Right. Back up to PB, and we're gonna end it there. And it's pitch black down here, so gotta close this up. And let's do one last cab view. Again, same elevator just like the other one. Here are your fixtures and the indicator. There's Big Brother. So here at PB again. All right. See escalator. Should close up. There it goes. And right there's the shaft. So, all right, there you have it, and that's it.